going guys? I'm that Whyatt. Now I'm going to run through some parts on my bike. Running the Impurity Mirage frame. It's 21-inch top tube. It's got removable brake tabs. And, yeah, it's a pretty sick frame. Got custom blue colour that I picked out of a book. Got Colony teddy bars, fly lever, ODI grips and Colony stem. Got the Impurity gyro, Impurity factory forks, and we've got a blue profile hub with titanium bolts and a Colony rim. Moving down the cranks, got profile cranks with Colony pedals and a Trigg sprocket. Running the Aphex one-piece seat post combo. And moving down the brakes, I've got Colony brakes and then just clear pads. They work well. Got a Alienation delinquent rim on the back, laced to a profile hub. Thanks for watching my bike check. Head to impuritybike.com to check out more.